Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports multi-window. This is why Android 7, 0 or later matters for split screen. Once done, open the app you want first, and then open the recent apps view using the gesture or button. Now, make sure to either long press the app icon in Recents or drag the app preview. This places it in the top or left pane. You're initiating the split, so act deliberately to lock the first app into position before adding the second. Next, pick your second app from Recent Apps or tap one from the launcher. This fills the remaining pane automatically. Then, interact with the divider between windows to resize, drag toward either edge to favor one app or hold at roughly 50/50 for equal space. If your phone supports app pairs or shortcuts, create a pair to launch both apps together next time. This saves steps. Make sure to test touch and orientation, since landscape versus portrait changes usable space and may require a quick resize. Finally, decide whether you need a floating pop-up window or to end split screen. Use freeform or pop-up view when supported for a true multi-app overlay. To close split, drag the divider fully to one edge or tap the close control. This returns you to a single app. If something goes wrong, restart the apps, check for system updates, and clear the recent apps cache. These steps fix hung processes. If split still fails, reboot the device to reset Window Manager services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.